Kumalma na, no?
Kumalma na, pwede na mag-swim.
Kumalma na.
Yes.
May mag-swing. Ako, puro kayo naka-cellphone. Hindi naman yan.
Later.
Hindi, bigyan nyo sa...
Picture muna. Saan yung mga broha? Nasa pool yata sila.
Nasa pool?
Magla-live ako mamaya.
Live.
So, ayan yung mga loft accommodation nila is parang per house or loft kung tawagin. And as you can see, parang garden type sila. And later, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng loft namin. So, there's the swimming pool. Maliit lang yung pool dito. Hindi masyadong malaki yung resort pero peaceful siya and ang ganda ng dating niya, very relaxing siya compared to other resorts na na-visit ko. Ang ganda ng accommodation nito. And then there's their restaurant. They offer buffet breakfast and lunch as well. So our room is located here in dito tayo, no? In pangalan to 2D Loft 2D, and then we have our veranda or terrace. First room sarado. Sarado yung first room. Hala, nasan ba sila? Andun sila.
Hala, nasa beach.
Nasa beach na sila. Mamaya na lang yung room tour. Yan sila. And they also have different activities in here like banana boat, jet ski, medyo maalon ngayon kasi afternoon na, and also it's raining as well, so we cannot like swim into the beach siguro tomorrow morning. So they have their lunch in here as well. Bukas yan na umaga, hapon na kasi. So yan, dito na tayo sa beach front. Ito yung pinaka ano niya.
Ma'am, Perlas, ma'am.
So they have their name there.
Ma'am, Perlas, ma'am.
Hi!
Perlas. Ma'am, Perlas.
Picture, wait.
Ma'am.
So yeah, walking muna tayo sa sand. Malakas yung alon kasi hapon na. So we're expecting tomorrow morning na medyo kalmado yung dagat. So yan. Ayun yung mga kapatid ko. Ayun, tatlong yon. Isa doon kapatid ko. Yes, hindi kami makakalangoy kasi super laki ng alon today. So, yes. Okay, so ito yung unang room. Ito yung main room. 2D left. So, ito siya. As you can see, magulo agad. They have their television and may wifi na rin sila, may aircon. And yung CR. Let's see. Yan. Very clean and nice. And also yung details niya. Look at that. They're like a window. So, yan yung shower and yan siya. In the other room, sa kabilang room, yan, just like the first one, but they don't have a television in here. So, yun. Nakuha namin, may television pala sila and also they have a refrigerator. Nakuha pala namin siya ng 19,000 per night. So, yan yung room. And the same design with the bathroom and also yung, ayan, ganyan siya. So, yeah, they have they're very cute and they look, clean and they smell clean. They smells clean. Ayan.
Ay, may kasal!
Wow, beach wedding. Swerte, may kasal pa. Makakasaksi tayo ng kasal.
Girl, wait talk!
Okay.
Malayo naman yun. Kumalma na, no?
Kumalma na, pwede na mag-swim.
Kumalma na.
Yes.
May mag-swing ako. Puro kayo naka-cellphone. Hindi naman yan.
Later.
Hindi, bigyan nyo sa...
Picture muna. Saan yung mga bro ka? Nasa pool yata sila.
Nasa pool?
Ilan? Na uwian na. So, yun. We've been here for 2 days, 1 night. And super sarap ng feeling na nakapag-relax ka. So, yan. So, if you are familiar with Blue Coral, Resort. Tabi lang siya. Beside Blue Coral and Raj Sport Resort. So, yan. So, ito yung parang buffet restaurant nila. Which is included in the package. So, yan. And there's lunch as well. And parang parang bar yung itsura niya. Pero hindi naman siya totally a bar. So, yan. There you go. And there's the beach at the back.